Alright, so I'm about to replace the gas tank in this vintage PB411 blower. This gas cap's actually new, and we just have to remove the single fuel line. I'm just going to carefully pull this out, just like that. So now we just have the 2 Phillips screws. That's that. So this tank is cracked and leaking, pretty standard. Brand new tank, new old stock anyways. So it just goes on. You guys can see how it's got that indentation in the tank right there. It just goes up against the bottom piece, holds it in place. And of course, replace the fuel filter. There's a good one right here. So we're just going to fish the fuel line back into the tank. We're actually going to have to find another one of these or tighten this one up. Alright, so the trick I'm going to use with this is we're going to get a piece of safety wire, small piece. Basically just cut it to size, wrap it around, and tighten it. We're not going to tighten it too much. Just like that. It's not going to go anywhere, not unless you force it like that, but it'll be fine the way it is. Sort of reseat this grommet. There we go. Fuel tank replacement.